Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add another card to the Chase app. First, open the Chase app on your phone and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the home page, take a moment to look through the available options. Next, find the option that says Link External Account and tap on it. Depending on your app version, the placement of this option may be slightly different, but it should be available within your account settings or management section. After that, you will see a list of financial institutions. Select your institution from the list. If needed, you can use the search bar to find it faster. Once you have chosen your institution, enter the required details to connect the account. Make sure all the information is accurate before continuing. The app may ask you to verify your identity or confirm the connection as part of the security process. Finally, follow the remaining instructions on the screen and complete the process. After everything is finished, the additional card or linked account should appear in your Chase app, allowing you to manage it along with your other accounts. Thanks for watching.